So today we thought to discuss everyday issues. You have seen by now, right? I mean the thumbnail and the title. So let's jump straight into the issue we are here to talk about. Battery drainage and slow charge. We are now in a time where everything that surrounds us is either electric operated or uses batteries. Look around. You will find all the gadgets like remote controls, wireless dongles, headphones, laptops, inverters, and even your smartphones are battery operated. But with time, life decreases and the size increases. Do you know why? Battery life is something which matters. You can deal with low camera resolution, little lag, and everything, but not the battery life. And yes, it's a complete big industry which works on developing ways to charge your device faster as well as maintain high battery life. You can see that people warn you that don't use gadgets while they are charging. Do you know why? The answer to the question lies in the thermals or say temperatures. Every component is made to operate at a specific temperatures. The ideal temperature for a CPU, say a microprocessors, are around 100 degrees Celsius, while the battery has a limit of 60 degrees Celsius to operate optimally and 45 degrees for the charge. That's the reason that if you are using your gadgets which turn hot quickly while charging, temperatures often rise above 45 degrees. 45 degrees Celsius is even common in the summers. No doubt it's quite cold here as it's winter and now it's 14 degrees Celsius and it feels like 12 degrees. So we can see a difference in performance with respect to the environment. We are planning for a video for that. Make sure you have subscribed. Even this leads to swelling of batteries, which is very common in the recent times. You can see every month more than 100 cases are reported online. This was also the reason why the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 exploded, and rest is history. We know about the entire issue in 2017 if you guys recall. Even laptops are no different. You can see that surfaces or the chassis of the laptops are sometimes swollen as well. We need to keep in account that the thermals play the most immense role in battery business. So if I produce this video with AC, it would take around half the time of what it used to take in hot days like the summers. You can see the expected time in stories when we are producing on Instagram. Oh yes, have you followed us on Instagram? We post stories and share some news there as well, and we try to be active as much as possible. So now let's just come to what is the solution. So the latest batteries that are being used are the lithium ion batteries, which are there in smartphones and laptops and end up getting bottlenecked due to high temperatures. So I would like to advise you to install an app that checks temperature of different parts of your gadgets. Like there are CPU temp for the laptops and all desktop machines. Also, they are similar for smartphones as well. You can go ahead on the App Store or the Google Play Store and download the one that's suitable for your device, and that's the higher rated. Even if you guys want, we can look around and let you guys know which is the best of them. But for that, you will have to comment below what do you guys feel. So the last but not the least would be avoiding high temperatures and using cooling solutions whenever necessary. From the cooling solutions, I mean leaving your phone while it's charging might be a very helpful decision, or even not keeping your smartphone in direct sunlight whenever you're traveling in car or other things, keeping it in somewhere that's not getting the direct sunlight, because smartphones heat up with that as well. Also, you should replace a damaged or swollen battery because it will take much more cooling capacity of your smartphone and it heats up very early. So over and all, you will have to put in more cooling solutions that would at the end damage your user experience. But the last thing that you can get to fix a swollen battery is You can reduce the temperature by cleaning and the contact area with a very high density air. That's a very costly, or I would say a professional method of doing that. Also, if you're somewhere in a place like India where it's a very high temperature, expect an early discharge of the battery and stay prepared for recharging. You can recharge us as well by hitting the like button down below. Well, these were also suggestions that I had for increasing the battery backup, and I hope that it helps you get a better battery backup and make you prepared with all the consequences that it have. Comment if you're facing any similar issues. I will try my best to help you guys with a reply or a video about the same on how to fix that things. See you guys in the comment section. Also comment what's the current battery percentage on your device, because that's going to determine. Goodbye from here.